A bowl of turkey kielbasa is a great spicy dish that I love, and I'm about to show you guys just how to make this at home. For this dish, you're going to need some potatoes, bell pepper, tomato, garlic, onion, the turkey kielbasa, Caribbean Jerk Marinade, Cayenne Pepper, chili powder, chili garlic sauce, black pepper, and some kosher salt. Don't forget the smoked paprika. Before we start, go ahead and set your oven to 425 and let it preheat. Go ahead and grab about 5 to 7 potatoes depending on the size. Now go ahead and peel them until no skin is left, and repeat this with all potatoes until you're done. Now with all your potatoes peeled, let's go and wash them. And now let's go and cut them into cubes. The reason why you want to cut them into smaller cubes is because you don't want to take a bite out of a big potato and have it offset the rest of your food. Cubes of about this size is perfect for becoming crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Get out a baking sheet with non-stick aluminum foil and put these bad boys on there. Then toss these starchy boys in some paprika and make sure to get it all coated. But be sure to use smoked paprika though, because it goes so well with potatoes and just adding that little extra flavor. Now let's go and pop it into your preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Now that gives us some time to cut up the vegetables. Separate the onions and bell peppers into one bowl and the tomatoes and garlic into the other. Set that to the side for now, and let's get on to cutting the kielbasa. We're going to cut these thin because we're going to toss them in some cayenne pepper and chili powder, and we want them to all be coated evenly. Put those into a bowl and add a half teaspoon of chili powder and a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Now mix that until thoroughly combined and the kielbasa is well coated. Set these sausages aside and let's check on those potatoes. A good way to check on potatoes is to stab it with a fork and see if the inside is soft. Now you can see that these potatoes are done. Now get out a big boy skillet and set that temperature to medium high. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Toss that oil around and get ready to put in the vegetables. Add those onions and bell peppers and get that nice sizzle going. Cook this until those onions are just slightly translucent. Right when the onions look like they're just starting to cook, add in the kielbasa. Stir that sausage in there and make sure it gets cooked just as well as the onion and the bell peppers. Once those veggies and sausages are done, add in them tomatoes and garlic. Stir that to combine and let it cook for about 1 more minute. Now turn that heat down to medium-low as to not overcook the garlic. Add in your pepper and your salt to taste. Mix it again because we're just about ready to add in those potatoes. Here come the potatoes. Stir it in again and get ready to put the sauce in. Add 3 tablespoons of the Caribbean Jerk and 2 tablespoons of the chili garlic sauce. After we get that in there, stir it all together one last time, and there you go, it's ready to serve. And there you have it, turkey kielbasa.